Hi everyone, welcome to channel. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your email account on your Instagram. Let's get started. So first of all, guys, you need to remember one thing, which is you need to log in your old email account, which is your Instagram email account. Okay, first of all, you need to log in your old email account, which is your Instagram account, in your mobile phone. Without doing these things, you cannot change your Instagram email account. Okay, so after that, you can simply click here your Instagram application. I'm gonna open my Instagram application here, and you can see this type of interface. Here you can simply click here on profile, and you can see this type of interface. Here you can see the three lines option, and you can simply click here on settings, and you can simply see this type of interface. Here you can see the fourth option on last four option is account. You can click on account, and here you can see the personal information. Click on it, and you can see your all email IDs here, and you can click here, and you can enter your new email ID. So I'm gonna add my new email ID, which is I'm gonna put here. I'm gonna put, and you can simply click here, and it's gonna be update, and you can check your email address. You can check that out. You can check your new email address, and I'm gonna already put my verification code, and you can need to open your old email account on Gmail and put here on your verification code, and after that verification you can see the your email has been successfully changed your own Instagram. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and you don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any question about this tutorial, so you can type on comment section. I will answer.